Hey guys, sorry. This is me, Cameron.
Yeah,
I'm just setting up the camera. We are playing Slime Rancher.
Yeah, yes, fart slime.
So I'm just waiting for it to load.
Yeah, well, I'm snatching some fart slime.
I got my tracksuit on.
Something called that.
It's really cool, like blue and black. My dress. So okay.
Make more noise.
And then it's loading again.
Yeah.
Cameron, come on.
It's making a video.
So
No.
we are gonna play this game. So what you do? You're a rancher.
Yeah,
And
and
then,
we
like-
played it a ton of times.
Yeah. So we're really good. Oh, we'd ever have us. Well, we had a couple videos, but
Yeah, but it was
on my mom's old phone, but it wouldn't work. Oh my gosh! Just load already.
No. You're gonna get hurt.
And never mind.
Oh, sorry guys. Go.
Let's just delete this video.
No. Oh no, we're not deleting the video yet. So, what you do is you like walk around and do
And
stuff.
find slime.
Yeah,
We
and then
unlock some stuff.
that is cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to play game now. Sorry, that it's not that it's loading fast. Well, it's kind of a good time to talk to you. Okay, so you get what I mean. You just go around collecting slime, find new stuff, and then you put them in your ranch.
Yeah, and safety, but we got
Yes,
hot walls.
finally. Okay. Sorry that it took like about 2 minutes. Okay.
We're past 1 minute.
Okay. Slime Rancher!
Slime Rancher, there'll be a
It's
little
actually
slime
really
right there.
cute. It's really, really cute.
Yeah. What
Yeah,
is here?
see?
And look at
Continue.
but there's not just like pink slime. See? It's not just pink slime.
Please say it's Cam's kicking some.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
We got that one.
I made my like this, the boom slime. I made it look like that for when you enter my I made that one. Okay. So I made that one my like ID or something, my slime on the front for my like game, and I also put it's called Cam's Kicking Some Butt, and here we are. Okay, I gotta feed you. Where? Oh yeah, forgot. Thing. Okay. So
And those
I'm
things are called plorts.
yes, hunter slime. Okay, I need
Or
to get,
the invisible slimes.
yeah, they can turn invisible.
Yeah.
So let me just feed them for quickly. I need to feed my slime.
But we have chickens too.
Yeah, and we also have like other stuff like mangoes and stuff.
And like, what? Now we're talking
Okay.
about the food right now.
Yeah. So there's all different kinds. I know a lot about it.
Yeah.
Even though
and we
I
have
don't, because I watched
blueberries.
this
We have
a YouTube
blueberries.
channel called Blitz, and he plays Slime Rancher too. So I just watched that. I usually only watch him play Slime Rancher. That's my favorite ones that he plays. Sorry guys that it's taking so long. I will feed you slimes.
This is the chickens.
Brr. Okay, my Q berries are ready.
Oh,
What
more
are you doing?
chickens.
Oh, those are my heartbeats. My heartbeats. I forgot that I had heartbeats. You
You're
look like a...
ugly chicken.
Yeah, sorry, Hen Hen. Man, I have so much food.
And the hens look like the chickens. Roosters. Oh, what? I did that.
Mangoes. I knew we had these. Okay, now I just need to get to my Q berries. But first I need to get these off. Okay.
Oh, stop.
Those are my Q berries.
Stop.
Heather, can you please go? end this video very shortly because Tyler.
The dummy. No pink. Tyler's a pink. Stop it, Tyler's a dummy.
It's gonna fall. Don't fall.
No, my slime.
Give him the slime back.
Your favorite skew berries.
Give him his slime.
Okay, sorry, Grayson's being very.
Give me some.
Okay, so let's go.
Boing.
I'm just gonna get the stuff to feed. Okay, now I have to feed all of these Q berries to the my phosphor ones. Those are the ones that are in the dark. Oh my gosh, why are all my chickens escaping? I don't know. I'm just gonna take like 4. I think I only have like. Oh, I'm gonna get 6 just in case.
I'm watching too. Bobblehead. Star Wars, the bobblehead. Star Wars, the
Stop, Grayson, please stop. You're like ruining the video. Okay.
Star Wars, the bobblehead.
Okay, stop.
I'm watching the video.
I don't like the last one you did with the dog. Please, Grayson.
Wee. Haha.
You will get. You will get. Okay, even.
Yeah.
Sorry for the ones that are hungry. Okay. Where is the other one? Where's the other one? Oh, there you are. Eat the chicken.
Eat.
Now you're happy. Okay, I'm not gonna collect the quartz yet. Okay, you're still doing good. I'm sorry about the stopping to check if it's go because I feel like I'm running out of storage.
Santa come to my classroom, but it was a fake Santa. It wasn't the real Santa. She was in the suit.
Okay, so here's rock.
So it was not Santa
I keep these here just in case I want to use them all, but I'm not going to use them yet. Those are just for storage.
I got slime matching right there. Right?
Yeah. Now, it really does kind of look like a slime because it is.
It's slime adventure.
Okay. So, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to show you.
Go.
You already ate all of them? Oh,
Yeah.
wait. No, I need some.
Santa Claus come to school
Eat.
today?
Yeah, it was
Okay. Where's that 6th floor?
It wasn't him.
How do you know?
Where's that floor?
How do you know?
It
That's
just
right,
wasn't.
How do you know that?
Yes, I just knew his face. And his gloves.
So, I'm sorry, I'm
arms.
just keep stopping to see if it's like middle floors. I actually don't care because no one eats middle floors. Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Bye.
Oh,
No, it's you. No, definitely on the floor. Dancing.
so I don't need to feed you for a very long time.
The final countdown.
Okay,
Kitty big,
okay.
kitty bigger.
Okay, I can do that.
Kitty small, kitty bigger. Wee, I am bigger. I'm
Please stop, Grayson. You're annoying me, and you might be annoying the viewers.
Yeah.
People who think he's the best part about this channel, you're wrong.
You're wrong.
The games, the stuff that we do.
Now she's on the ceiling. Now at the bedroom.
Please stop. Not the elf. There is no elf on the ceiling.
Yeah.
Wait, he is on the ceiling. Oh wait, he's doing pull-ups in the other room.
Yeah. On our window.
After the video, no, I'm just gonna show you my elf, cause he is actually doing pull-ups. It looks like he's doing pull-ups.
Yeah, what? The red one's climbing and the green and red one is doing pull-ups.
Just need 2 more.
And no, but somebody in Mrs. Ryder's class has Christopher too, Mama.
energy. That's bad.
Get out of the basement.
When I was back over there, I'm like, why am I
I always
searching
come
all the
here, but
chickens?
sometimes I go there.
I'm very tired.
You found the
I
kitty.
didn't get that much to eat.
Are you right?
Because I'm like
You
awake all
found
day.
You found kitty's
not all
one.
day.
You found a kitty. A kitty's right there.
Okay, Grayson, stop
A
playing.
kitty.
That's just weird.
A kitty.
Oh,
A
that
kitty. That was a kitty. That was a kitty. That right there. See that on the computer? You see that one?
no hen, no rooster.
See one?
I need a hen, not a hen. What is it?
A black kitty. A biggest kitty.
Yeah, that's not it. Okay.
Found the biggest kitty ever.
Do you like when we do it? Like, ow. Okay.
Found the
Yeah.
biggest kitty.
So we're just gonna go. I'm just gonna go over here.
Found the biggest kitty.
Ow. Oh, I almost died. Oh.
Found the biggest kitty.
Stop eating it. Take that.
Found the biggest
Very
kitty.
weird.
Found the biggest kitty.
Hi guys. Okay, stop.
Mr. Ducky.
Find the biggest kitty ever.
What?
Find the
What are you
biggest
doing?
kitty. Find the biggest kitty.
Okay, stop Grayson. Okay,
Find
stop
the
Grayson and Tyler, please.
Found,
Sorry.
found
I'm
a
going
kitty.
in.
Yeah, I know.
In my skirt.
I know I found a kitty cat. Kitty cat!
Oh, don't. Oh,
Get it.
land on it. Land.
Get it.
Ow!
Get it.
Look at me.
Whoa, that is so cool.
It's
What's happening?
kitty. A great
Water!
kitty.
Fast! What is in that? Okay, who cares?
A great kitty. That was a great kitty. A great kitty.
Use that.
Kitty.
Haha. That weakened you. Stop it!
I'm gonna do something.
Get in there. Great kitty.
I can't get Great Kitty yet. I need to look for a certain type of hen or chicken. Oh! What was that? Tabby flirt. No one ready to go crazy about that. And now I can't fly. What are you? Oh, just a tabby.
There's no snow.
I guess I'm gonna have to die. Ugh!
Here's this alien just shrieked it.
Yeah, bye.
Oh my. I found the honey gordo.
Did you get it?
No. What does it like? What is?
Ask me what it looks like.
Mamapedia. Slimes. Okay, where's honey slime? Mint mango. I have mint mango. I can do that. I'm gonna do that in this video. Okay? Guys, let's go. Okay, let's just find water so I can die. Well, there we go. Wait. You've been knocked out, but a day's rest should fix you right up. Okay. I'm just gonna grab every mint mango I have.
And picture. Find more
Move.
mango.
Picture.
Go away, picture.
I'm at least I'm gonna grab like 8.
Find cookies. Kind of find a kitty cat.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
Find a
Yeah.
No reason for mint mangoes today. Okay, that should be enough. Hey man, I have so many.
That one's the kitty.
What am I thinking of?
Kitty.
I have so many. What is it called? So many food. I have so much food. I don't know what it's looking for.
This is a.
I don't know what the word is.
This is
Hey.
a pink
Okay.
one kitty.
So let's go. Ah!
I
How did I catch that? Die! Oh wait.
Come on, get
Die!
You gotta get a candy.
Ow. Okay, please stop, Grayson. Now please stop. Ah!
It's showing the aliens that are out of Earth.
Okay.
Pictures. Okay, got that. Yeah, they did something that was
Yeah. Okay, so sorry for the quietness. I just like quiet. Ah, I can't stop. I don't like playing games.
Yeah! What the hell?
Oh my gosh. I did it. I did it. I did it. No eating here tonight. Yeah. No eating here tonight. Yeah. If we pop this gordo, I'll be like, what?
I'm holding the camera. Why is that following the camera?
Okay, so let's just do this.
And what this
where's
is?
the honey gordo?
Where's
Guys,
the honey
do you know where the honey gordo is? Oh my god.
Where we went?
Honey gordo is. Where did I go? Which way did I go? Didn't I go up here?
No, yeah.
No. How did I get to the honey gordo again?
They're not there.
Here didn't I go?
Yeah.
Wait, where did I go through there? Because I went through one of those ones.
Well,
I don't know.
tunnels.
I'm gonna go over
Oh,
here.
it looks like it was.
I feel like I was. Oh!
Booms. Boom slide.
Boom slimes. Boom pink slimes. Larger slimes. I need to find that gordo.
Yo. What the heck is it? Was it over there?
I feel like it should be over here.
Oh, you made it.
Only if I can zoom out like Roblox. That'd be awesome. I wonder what I actually look like if I'm not
Dude,
really
I'm
a
back,
girl.
dudes.
So let's go.
I'm doing
Oh, there. Okay,
I'm doing a
here we are.
handstand.
We have to go.
Okay, I'm doing a headstand.
I knew it was somewhere around here. Okay, so I think 8 mint mangoes are good.
It's sketchy.
No!
It's sketchy.
How did that not work? I have to die. I need to get every mint mango I have. Okay, this time I'm gonna feed my what are they?
What?
My slime.
You could just hold this button. So you could hold this button. This is a button too.
Okay. So, oh, this has a lot of carrots.
Bye. About that silly.
Back.
This way.
Back.
You see a blinking light right there? Blinking light.
Stop, please. Please don't, Grayson. I mean, guys. Stop it, Grayson. Please stop. Okay. Okay. So, I just need 6. I'm not gonna get them. I'm just gonna find them. Okay, I need, oh my gosh. You're even lower. That's good. No, that's not good.
No.
letting all these mint mangoes away from me.
It was for your child.
Oh yeah, I need. Not gonna hurt. Just to get a little more. Okay, I need a lot of ports from you.
Sorry that it took a long time. Now it's dirty. No, it's not. Sometimes high.
Okay, sorry for the quietness. Sorry for the quietness. I feel so alone. You didn't even hear. Which one of you are not happy? Oh, you're not happy. Eat that. Are you still not happy? Okay, good. Good. You should be happy. I gave you so much food and now you're not happy?
Yeah.
I need more. Gold, gold, gold! No! No! I just found a gold slime. No!
You got it.
Did you? I was about to get that gold.
I found one and it will disappear.
I needed to get that gold port. What is this? Stony hand.
I don't like this one.
Hey guys, are you still videoing?
Yeah.
What?
Yes. So, I'm running out of power. So let's go. I'm gonna try not to be quiet for the rest of this video because I don't like being quiet in videos, and I also do, but I like being quiet playing games. What if I can make it from? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see if I can remember where it is.
Yes, you did that.
Yay! Let's go. Now I'm really trying to stay. Okay, so let's just wander. All these mint mangoes should help. So I went over here in the dust area. Just kidding. Here we are. All of these should. He's getting so big.
Then you thought it looked like it was like going there.
Oh, it's gonna explode.
Too fast.
Ah, yes!
But
Yay! I get slime key. Yes! We're also gonna unlock. We're going to unlock a new slime. You come here. Staying with me. I don't need any. No, I'm not dying.
I did Sorry. I'm not studying like that. Look at it.
Okay. So let's go because. Oh wait, I can go a quicker way. Nah, I'm just gonna go this way. But I could. Oh no. Maybe I should. No, I shouldn't.
Kill it.
No, I'm gonna go. So sorry. I'm like making up my mind about going through a portal, which is kind of far, but it would be easier than trying to find my way to get to the ramp. Because to get my way out, because it's actually very hard to find my way out. To find a way out is very hard. Oh my gosh, you're up here too? I thought you were only down there. There where the teleporter is? I'm just doing like
I am
big
going
parkour.
to disappear.
Oh, you're not.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yep, this is where the teleporter is.
Look at me disappear. Beep. She disappeared.
Okay, we're close. Okay, there's the teleporter. I can see it. I have so much money. I'm gonna buy another pen. That scared me.
It's on your eye, and it's in your hair.
What is it? What is it?
He's got slime everywhere. It's in his
Oh.
Secret, Mama?
shirt.
I'm going to do some stuff. What's this?
Okay.
You have to buy this.
Slime.
Let me see your eye. Is it in your eye
So
still?
I'm going to buy a
Let me
course.
see. Let me see. Let me see. Everywhere.
Take some mangoes.
That's really gross.
Oh, don't put it in me. High walls.
Yeah, Bubba Bear.
Floor collector. That's all I need for this. Tyler, put the slime back.
We can't shoot.
Tyler, I'm gonna get the rad slime. If you don't know what the rad slime is, it's actually really cool. So
A kitty's cool. A kitty
Yeah.
cool.
kitty is cool.
A kitty's cool.
Guys, kitties are really cool. Sorry for that it's so long, but one more thing that we have to unlock. It's like so cool. It's the rad slime. It's like the most epic thing ever.
That's really a big key.
I have been trying to find a key for so long, and I didn't know how to find a slime key. And I didn't know that you would get a slime key from popping gordo, from popping that gordo.
Because the biggest key cat.
And I found that honey gordo
The biggest-
before. Yeah,
The biggest key
Yeah.
cat to chew.
the honey slime gordo before, but I didn't know. Yes.
Yes. It's not. You unlocked it?
Mine, all mine. The
Yay.
Indigo query. Oh,
Yeah.
Larry. Hi, my name is Larry.
down.
But I have
okay.
only
A
one
fire
rule.
room.
Don't push
Push
the button.
Wait.
I think I go up here. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Okay. That's where the rock gordo is. I just need what is its favorite food? Veggie? Let me just go. Slimepedia.
Alien.
It's probably like heartbeat. I thought it was carrots.
Should be a heartbeat. No, should be a cube berry.
Okay. No, Q berries are fruit.
Yeah. We need them to eat fruit ones. The mini.
I feel like I can smell the rat
No,
slime.
but you cannot beat the chicken man.
I can smell those rad slime.
Yeah, we could. Or die could.
Where's those rad slime? I feel like I can literally
Oh,
Smell
the
this.
slime. This big weird part. Yeah.
Aw. It's like beautiful.
That makes me
Okay. What is that? What the heck is that?
doody doo doo.
Oh, it's a treasure pod. found a lot of those, but I couldn't open them. So,
Try open that.
I'm sorry that this video is very long, but I need it long because this part is like the best now for me. I actually found like 2 new. The rat slime! We got the rat slime! Yes! Oh, yes! Yes!
A kitty.
Rat slime! Rat slime! Give me that rat slime! Give me it!
A kitty.
This is so epic! No eating stuff.
No. Papa.
Yes! Yes!
Papa.
Oh. We got the rat slime! Okay, stop. Stop, Grayson. Okay, yes.
Papa.
Don't do that. Rat slime. I did it. Oh, favorite veggies. Oka Oka. I guess I'm going to discover that here. Another rock gordo. Like there's 2 tabby gordos. There is. I'm telling you, there is. So, yes, I need that rat slime. Oka Okas. Gimme you! Blast away. This is so peaceful. I'm collecting these red slimes because I need this.
Kitty one.
Okay, this doesn't look safe at all. That's probably why it said danger. Okay, it says danger there. What is it? Oh! Yeah! We got the jackpot of red slimes over here. It's not really the jackpot because there's barely any. Oh, yeah. What is in? Oh, okay. Wait. Nothing really. Only if there was Oka Okas. Oh, I thought those were Oka Okas. Okay, stop that. Get away. Stop doing that to me. I don't even know what happened.
End the video.
No. Okay, so guys, let me just get that red slime because this is a good day for me. Lucky, very lucky. It's always on YouTube videos. They're so lucky.
So like
Okay, so we are done with this video. I'm gonna go make a home for them. Oh my gosh, we hit the jackpot. We hit the jackpot of rad slimes. So, let me just keep collecting these. Sorry, I can't end it.
yes, you have.
Make sure you subscribe. Leave a like.
The dragon.
Hit the bell notification button. Then you'll get any notification for when a new video comes out. And then I hope you, and also watch all my videos because they're so good. I'm telling you, they are so good. Okay. Bye, guys. See you in the next one. Yeah, bye.